Hello, so my name is Jennifer Alexandria, and the film we are going to review is Inception. Inception is directed by Christopher Nolan and released in 2010. In general, Inception tells the story of Tom Cobb, a skilled thief who steals valuable secrets from a person's subconscious while they are dreaming. However, this time he is offered a chance to clear his criminal record by doing the opposite, not stealing an idea, but planting an idea into the target's mind, a process known as inception. The film belongs to the genres of science fiction, action, and psychological thriller. Inception received widespread critical acclaim and won 4 Academy Awards, including Best Cinematography and Best Visual Effects. This film was also nominated for Best Picture, making it one of the most iconic and influential films of the decade. The storyline of Inception is highly original and complex, blending science fiction with psychological drama. The concept of entering dreams within dreams creates a layered narrative that challenges the audience to think actively while they are watching. The first part of the film focuses on explaining the dream, sharing technology, and the character's motivation, while the second part becomes increasingly intense with action and tension across multiple dream layers. Each dream level operates at a different speed, with its urgency and keeps the audience mentally engaged. One of the most memorable elements of the film is the use of the concept of the kick, a physical jolt designed to wake the dreamer, which must be executed across different dream levels. The tension reaches its peak in the third act as the audience follows the action unfolding across 4 levels at once. Inside the Falling Fun, the Zero Gravity Hotel, the Snowy Fortress, and the Limbo World. Leonardo DiCaprio delivers a powerful performance as Tom Cobb. His character is well developed through his guilt and trauma surrounding the death of his wife. This internal conflict adds emotional depth to the story and makes Cobb more than just a typical hero action. Other characters, such as Arthur and Ariadne, play important roles in guiding both the narrative and the audience through the dream world. Ariadne, in particular, serves as the audience perspective by asking critical questions and gradually uncovering Cobb's troubled past. Although most of the performances are strong, some supporting characters, such as Eames and Saito, are less emotionally developed. However, their charisma and functional role in the plot still make them memorable and engaging. Christopher Nolan's vision is executed brilliantly through the work of cinematographer Wally Fisher. Together, they use a combination of practical effects and visual effects that make the dream worlds feel both realistic and surreal. The use of innovative camera technique is especially evident in the zero-gravity hotel corridor fight scenes, which was created using a massive rotating set rather than relying on CGI.
Instead, the production team built a real rotating corridor. BTS footage reveals how they first constructed a replica of the hotel hallway and then designed it to rotate 360 degrees. Heavy machinery and motors were used to create the spinning effect, making it possible for actors to perform the gravity-defying stunts practically.
The film's visual aesthetic is grand and striking, ranging from the vaulted cityscape of Paris to the decaying coastal city of Limbo. Overall, the camera work, visual effects, and dark yet elegant aesthetic come together to create a deeply immersive cinematic experience that perfectly supports the film's central themes of reality and illusion.
Hello, my name is Marcela Alexandria. Next we talk about the sound and music. Hans Zimmer's musical composition in an integral part of Inception identity. The music is not merely background noise, but it also serves as a tool to mark time for the audience. Zimmer used a slowing tempo to reflect how times flow more slowly at each deeper level of dreams. The iconic Bram sound
What's the most resilient parasite?
In the film, it gives the sense of fast scale and a constant looming threat. For the sound effects, such the use of the song is non-generic rendering as a kick signal, demonstrate the clever integration of audio element and the plot. Okay, next we talk about the theme and the message. The central themes of Inception is about the perception of the reality and the power of ideas through the use of the small totems to distinguish the dream from reality. The films invite the audience to question what is the truly real. The films also explore the themes of grief and redemption. A corpse must let go of more projection within himself in order to return to the real world and see his journey. On a deeper level, the films can be interpreted as a metaphor for filmmaking itself, where the director is the extractor who plants idea it can mind of the audience. Okay, next for my personal opinion, overall Inception is a rare film that also demands intelligence from its audience. Its main strength are its challenging complexity and unprecedented visual with illusion such as the vaulted city and
A
else.
single idea from the human mind can build cities.
But for the weakness, for some people, may lie in the number of plot that must be digested because they are too complicated, especially in the beginning of the film, which can feel exhausting. But however, I highly recommended this film to anyone who enjoy mind-bending story and deep science fiction. If you like film that spark long discussion after watching them, yeah, Inception is a must to see. For the last, in the conclusion, Inception remains the gold standard in the modern science fiction genre with bold direction, brilliant acting, and stunning technical execution. The film leaves a profound impression of how the human mind is both the most dangerous and the most beautiful place. The final of the scene featuring the spinning totem remain of the most debated ending in the cinematic history, but after overall of the film, the final rating is 8.5. Thank you.